First of all, download and install this IMEI Changer app. Go ahead and run the app. As soon as it opens, you'll see an option called Change IMEI on the left side panel. Just click on that. Now, connect your phone to the PC using a USB cable, and after that, power off your phone completely. Next, go back to the app. Here, you need to select your phone manufacturer, your model number, the COM port, and the chipset. But if you don't know all of this information, there is an auto detect option right here. Just select it. Under that, you'll see a button called Search Device. Go ahead and click on it. Within a couple of seconds, the tool will automatically detect your phone and display all the device details for you. Now, you'll notice there are many options available here. Only select the same options that I am selecting. Leave all the remaining options exactly as they are. If you want to change the IMEI, check this IMEI Change checkbox. Now, type the first IMEI number into the first box, and in the second box enter the second IMEI number. Make sure you select only these options. Once everything is selected, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see a button labeled Write Data. Click on it. At this point, the tool will automatically put your phone into recovery mode and start writing data to the device. This process may take a couple of minutes, so just relax and wait patiently until the IMEI changing tool completes the writing process. You don't need to do anything at this stage. After the entire process is finished, your phone will restart automatically, and it will also be reset to factory default settings. Once the phone boots up, complete the setup wizard and enjoy your new IMEI mobile device.